This fan is so quiet, I think you can hear my Frenchie snoring more than you can hear the fan. The remote has all these options on it. This is to oscillate and turn, which it turns from one side of the room to the other. This is the sound, if you want to cut the sound off to where you can't hear it beeping when you change your functions and your up and down, and these are just different functions that there is. But this thing's great, like the oscillating. And there's 4 speeds on it. The 4 is extremely high. But if you want to turn that beeping off, then you just do that. Then it doesn't beep. But that's as loud as it goes. I love this fan.
Amigos, me acaba de llegar este ventilador tipo torre. Tiene 4 velocidades. Me costó alrededor de 1,700, entre 1,700 y 1,800 en Amazon. Lo compré porque tenía muy buenas reseñas y ya vienen las olas de calor y se ponen bien intensas. El año pasado quise comprar uno y cuando ya estaba en su apogeo, estaban muy escasos, estaban muy caros en Amazon, en tiendas departamentales, donde lo buscaras estaba súper caro. Así es que me adelanté a las ondas de calor que ya la siguiente semana nos empiezan a pegar durísimo. Y bueno, pues vamos a ver qué tal funciona este Dreo, que es compatible con Alexa y con el asistente inteligente de Google. Bye.
Hi everyone, this is a review of the Dreo fan. It's really, really nice. It was super easy to install. There were 2 disc plates at the bottom that we had to put together and then just attach the fan itself on top of it. Like I said, pretty easy. So this fan comes with a remote, so I'm just gonna turn it on, and it's got 4 different speeds, which is really nice. This fan also has a timer, also rotates. And if you don't have the remote on hand, you can use these buttons that are on the fan to turn it on, adjust the speed, and have it rotate as well.
So since it's May and temperatures are starting to rise up in Texas and I have no AC in my room, this fan can't even cool me up or just blow heat back to you. And I do not want to sleep in this hot heat. Oh, I have a plan. This is a Dreo fan. This is like an AC. When I turned on this fan, this made this room 100 times colder. It has 4 speeds. Oscillate mode, and an 8-hour timer. Also 4 different modes: normal, eco, sleep, and auto. It also have a remote. And they made it so freezing, no hot sleeper nights. This fan's like an AC.
Year, so that's an increase of nearly 7%. They also say that these companies spent more than £1 billion on pay to just 217 executives, so not a bad pay packet for those individuals. Now, Luke Hildard, who's the director of the Hypley Centre, said these figures feed a growing sense in his mind, certainly, that low and middle earners aren't getting a fair share of the wealth, and I'm sure there'll be many people who see this data today and feel similarly. Interestingly, just going through the report this morning, the figures also show us a continuation of the gender pay gap, not just existing throughout the average element